Well, Christmas is over and now it's time to clean. Blow out the candles, start taking down the decorations, throw away all the gift wrapping, and change your furnace filter. That's right. Even if you've replaced it recently, the holidays can put some extra stress on your filter you may not realize. Things like holiday decorations and gift wrapping can occasionally find their way into your ductwork and onto your filter, particularly if you have floor vents. Holiday candles can also be a factor for needing to change your filter more regularly. It's not always obvious, but the soot released by the candles as they are blown out is actually being continuously produced and is drawn into your filter as your system runs. If you're not sure how to replace your filter, or maybe not sure what type you need, no problem. We can certainly help. Give us a call or text us and we can schedule your furnace tune-up. Our technician will be happy to replace your filter and teach you anything you'd like to know so that you can replace it yourself in the future. Tell us about your Christmas in the comments. Thanks for watching this week's episode, and we'll see you next year.